Does depreciation generate cash? You would be startled with the title of this presentation. But in my interactions with many people, I have come across this misconception. Let's explore this myth. Depreciation stands for consumption of a long-term resource such as plant, equipment, vehicles, office spaces, laptops, telecom equipment, etc. Depreciation is often called as a non-cash expense. Rightly so, since it does not involve any payment to a vendor on an ongoing basis. The statement of profit and loss of any firm or business enterprise reports the profit of the organization. There is of course another statement called as the cash flow statement. But in case somebody wants to derive and get some idea about the cash generation based on the statement of profit and loss, what is done is that to the profit after tax, which is also called as the bottom line, depreciation is added back because depreciation is a non-cash expense. Perhaps this is the reason which has caused this confusion that depreciation generates cash. Depreciation is only added back since it was already reduced in profit calculation like any other expense, but does not involve a payment to a vendor since the payment was already done when the asset was procured, but there is no ongoing payment. If depreciation could generate cash, all that we could need to do is to set up a plant and go with bags every morning to collect cash. We can therefore clearly see here that depreciation does not generate cash. It does not involve a payment to a vendor since the payment was already done at the time of procuring the asset. But that should not prompt us to derive a wrong conclusion that depreciation generates cash. That would be absurd, isn't it? For more such videos, do explore our channel, Dr. Abhijit Fitness.